I want to show you guys how I begin to cut my shapes. You understand? If a client walk to me after trimming and everything, if I want to cut the shape, this is how I begin my shape cutting. You know, I begin from the forehead line. You get it? So I begin from this side. I take it. So first of all, you check the size. If it is equal, you understand? We have some size it's like this, some size like this, some size like this. You understand? So as a professional barber, always observe first. Once you observe the shape, then you know where to start. You understand? So as for me, I always observe first. So once I observe, then I come in. I start from here. Then I bring, well, sometimes I start from here and bring it here. So once I cut the straight line, the next thing I should do is the vertical line. So the vertical line, what I do is I make sure I observe here, I observe here, then I take it from there. So when I cut the shape like this, I don't make it enter into the vertical where the vertical point will start. I cut it here. Then I come and cut the vertical line here. So after cutting the vertical line, then I trace this one to join the vertical line, as you guys can see. You get it? Yes. So that's how I do to cut my shape. And then I do the same here, cut here. Meanwhile, the vertical line will start here. So I end it here. Then I came here. The the vertical line will start here. So I cut the foil line like this. Then I come here. Then I turn the clipper like this, then I take it from here. So once I take it from here, then I join the vertical line. You get it? Yes. So that is how I cut my shape. So after that, then I check here and here is equal. Always make sure that this and this, the vertical line is equal. Here is very straight. You understand? And then before you come to the C curve. So once you get here straight away, you get here correct, you get here the corner, everything correct. The next step to do is to take the C curve. So before you take the C curve you have to measure. You see some people, they will finish cutting and you see that this one is longer than this one is shorter than this one. What you need to do is, as a beginner barber, what you need to do is to mark here. After cutting the vertical line, mark here. And then use the powder or use the pencil. You understand? Let's say this is the shape. Let's say this is the shape. So you use the powder to mark here. Then you come here. Let's say this is the C curve, the vertical line. Then you mark here too. You understand? Yes. So make sure that here and here is equal. So after that, you come here, you see that the line is already there. Then you trace the line to join the beard. Then you come here, you trace the line to join the beard. You understand? So after that, you see that all the sizes are equal. You see that the vertical line are equal. The foil line is straight. The C curve is on point. And then you come to where the C curve and the vertical line join. You see that the 2 points are the same. You understand? Then you drag it to the beard. So once you get to the beard, what you do is you trace the beard like this. You trace it depending on the size of the beard. You see my beard is joined. You understand? We have some people it's not joined. So as for that part, you need to know how to do it. But let me show you this one. So once you come here, the next thing you need to do is to trace it, cut it like this. So when you start, don't come straight. You understand? When you start, you'll be curving it a little bit. You understand? Curving it a little bit, curving it a little bit. Then you trace it here. Then this one to the same thing, you trace it here. You understand? Then after that, you see the back here, this back, the back here. You have to make it straight. First, cut it straight away to here. You understand? Once you cut it here, come back here, do the same here. Then you raise the person neck like this. Then you check if the size is equal. Then you start from here. Then you take it from here. Then you take it from here. Then you join it. Then you remove all the beard here. You understand? There's your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. You will not get this anywhere. I'm telling you, you will not get this anywhere. If you bet me Cross check all the platform that they are doing torturing on haircut. You will never get it. You will never get this torture I'm doing here. You understand? I take my time for my people, my followers, especially the underground, barbers that are coming, don't know where to start. The way I'm demonstrating everything. If you are a professional barber, upcoming professional barber, and you follow me for a while and you cannot cut shape, you cannot apply white pencil, you cannot, catch the curve, dress beer and do stuff, then my friend, you are not a barber. You have to go and sleep. I'm telling you, you have to go and sleep. You understand? This thing I'm telling you guys is a torturing that you will never get it anywhere. You understand? So once you trace it here, you can decide to use the white powder to trace the line like this. You understand? To make it easy for you to apply the enhancement. We have some people too, they don't like the enhancement. If they don't like, don't worry yourself. You don't have to worry yourself on the white pencil. You understand? But if they want enhancement, then you use the pencil or the powder to trace the line like this. You understand? So once you trace it, let's say you want to apply enhancement, what you need to do is, I have already told you guys that you can get yourself a plastic, any form of plastic like this, cut it into sizes that you yourself you will feel comfortable with holding. Understand? This is a SIM card. This, it's something, just get something hard that's very flexible, hard, small, that you can cut it into sizes, use it. This is your enhancement. You understand? You mix your dye, everything. Then you use it to tick, as you can see here is black. You use it to tick like this. Then once you tick like this, you see I didn't trace the line well, so I don't want to apply the line. Then you use it like this, you see. Then you trace it, you drag it like this. I don't want to use the dye on because I didn't plan for that. So you use it like this. Okay, let me use here. Then you use it like this. Then you trace it like this. You understand? Then you tick on it, you trace it like this. Then you come here, the same thing. Then you come on top, you already draw the line, you already use the powder on the line. The reason why we use the powder is that the powder will guide you to trace the line, to apply your enhancement very gentle. Imagine I don't have a line here and then I'm applying the powder. You understand? But you see, I first of all cut the shape, everything complete before I apply the powder. So once you apply enhancement, either you wash it, the person go home and bath or whatever, the line, the vertical line, the lines will still be there. You understand? Most of people will come in and say, oh, this one there, once you bath, the shape is gone. Always remember that we have already cut the shape. So sometimes if I come across such comment, I think maybe they are not professional barbers. Any professional barber will understand this. So sometimes I forgive them, because if you are not a professional, you will never understand this. You understand? So then you do same here, the same here. When it comes to the beard, the same thing. Then you trace it a little bit. The line is already there. Then you just trace it. Once you trace it, the next thing you do is to get a brush. You know, and then so once you apply, then you use the brush to drag it back. Then this one do the same thing. You drag it like this. You know, then you do same here. You understand? Very simple, very easy. This torturing I'm doing, you can never get it anywhere. If you are a beginner barber and you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit. Don't be sharefaced. Don't be sharefaced. Make sure you share for others to benefit. It's very, very important. Most of you, if you come across my video, you just benefit, you watch, you learn. You don't share for others or your brothers to also benefit. You understand? Try sharing my videos. This torturing I'm doing, you will not get it anywhere. Nobody have time to come and tell you do this, do that, do that. This is a technique that in the barbering industry. If you want to be a professional barber, these are the techniques. I'm telling you, if you want to be a professional barber, these are the techniques. You get it? These are the techniques that you need to follow, the step that you need to follow to become a professional barber. Because when we are talking about haircut, when we are talking about the haircut consists of the haircut, let's say taper fade, three step, whatever. After that, the next step is the shape. After that, the beard. We have some people who don't have beard. And after that, the enhancement that you apply. Three things that comply with the haircut. The shapes, the hairstyle, the enhancement, then the shape. That is three things. It's very, very important. So if you're a beginner barber, make sure you master these things. This thing will take you far. This thing will give you more customers. This thing will keep you, going in the industry. Don't make anybody lie to you that a haircut enhancement is not important. Currently, as we are in, if you're a professional barber and you don't know how to apply enhancement, my friend, you are not a barber. I'm telling you the reality. Go to Europe, go to Dubai, Germany, US, UK, Canada, wherever you find yourself. Come to Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Gambia, Togo, Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, South Africa. Go to anywhere. Enhancement is there. You understand? So it's not something that you are the one going to start it. It's already existing. So you have to learn how to make it professional so that you can use it to make money for yourself. Sometimes I come across comment that, oh, enhancement is a scam, enhancement is a scam, powder is a scam. My friend, if you don't know how to use it, you better learn it today. Because if you don't learn it today, it might be difficult for you to, achieve in this industry. Because those small kids, old people, small, if they come, they want enhancement. I have one shop at my side here. The person is an old man, old Thomas Barbers. He don't apply enhancement. He don't do anything. He just cut your hair. The children, if they send them there, they are crying that they will come to me. You understand? And they have to bring them here because I get time for them. I apply enhancement, powder everything, and after everything, they are looking nice. That is the generation we are in. So you cannot say, oh, enhancement is this and this. So you decide that, oh, as for enhancement, yeah, you are not going to. Hey, you lost. You will lose in the industry. You will sink. Nobody will come to you. You understand? So forget everybody. Whatever people are saying, when you come to the social media, what they say are different and what they do are different. So as a professional barber, it's up to you to make sure you are using your mind more than what people are saying. It's very, very important. This thing I'm doing talking about, after everything you watch it in your with your eyes, the next thing is your actions. You have to apply your mind, you have to apply your bonoduna or monogata to make it perfect. You understand? I have tell you the practice, how the theory part, this and this, I demonstrate everything. So the next step is you to take it according to make it perfect, to make it your own way perfect. This is just a guideline. You understand? This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. If you come across my video, make sure you follow me, share for others to benefit. Join my YouTube channel, First VGA TV. Stay connected. I post tips every day, long videos on YouTube. You can get 25 minutes, let's say taper tutoring, 3-step tutoring, 30 minutes, full process. Enhancement is there, haircut is there, shape cutting is there, everything is there. You can get those full videos there. Then it guides you to also become a professional. Thank you guys for watching. This is your tip master.